Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have three main stories. First, Foreign Affairs Minister Mande Kumba arrested at Juba Stadium during the football match between South Sudan and Senegal. Second, SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force soldier killed two civilians in Cueibet, Lagos State, and the killing sparked revenge attack. Third, the truth about the Nuer White Army and why they are not a threat to peace in South Sudan. Before we proceed with these top stories, please I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start with our first top story. Minister Mande Kumba arrest at Juba Stadium. Today in Juba, many people were excited because of the football match between South Sudan and Senegal. The match took place at Juba Stadium, the national stadium of South Sudan. This game was very important not only for players but also for the fan, leaders, and the country as a whole. Among those who wanted to attend was Mande Kumba, the Foreign Affairs Minister of South Sudan. But instead of being welcomed, Minister Kumba and his bodyguard met a shocking and shameful situation. At the entrance of the stadium, security officers stopped him and demanded ticket normally. As a government minister and especially someone as senior as the Minister of Foreign Affairs, he should have been allowed in without harassment. But the officer at the gate behaved rudely. When witnesses say they spoke in a disrespectful manner. There was a video online on social media showing where they stopped the foreign minister. And they delayed the minister for a long time. The bodyguard tried to explain, but the situation got tense. People around the scene were surprised. How can a minister of the government be treated this way, especially in front of international guests? Some say this shows the lack of coordination in South Sudan. Others argue that rule must be applied to everyone, especially, but even then, the minister could have been treated in a respectful manner. This story leaves us with questions. Why are security officers at South Sudan Stadium not properly trained to handle situation with VIPs? Is there poor communication between the Minister of Sport, security forces, and other government departments? Or is this just another sign of disorganization in South Sudan leadership? The match itself continued, but the talk of the day was not about football. It was about the embarrassment faced by Foreign Affairs Minister Mande Kumba at the stadium gate. Our second top story, SSPDF soldier killed two civilians in Cueibet. Now we move to Lagos State, where a serious incident happened in Cueibet County. According to the acting Minister of Information, William Kojikerjok, two civilians were killed by soldiers from the South Sudan People Defense Force, SSPDF. Here is how the story unfolded. On Thursday night, a military officer reported that he was surrounded by army youths and called for help. SSPDF soldiers, the South Sudan People Defense Force, came to rescue him and met with more than 40 army youths. A firefight happened and two youths were killed. Later, when the soldier returned to the base, the armed youths attacked in revenge and killed one soldier. The government said the situation is now calm, but soldiers are still patrolling the area. Officials confirmed that the officer who made the rescue call and also the owner of the house where the youths had gathered were arrested. But this is not the end of the story. Local youth leaders are giving a very different version. One youth representative, Shol Deng, said that the two civilians were not army fighters. He said they were sitting and eating dinner at their home around 10 p.m. when soldiers led by a captain called Panachol came in. After some disagreement with the homeowner, Captain Panachol ordered his soldier to shoot. 2 civilians were killed immediately. Deng also claimed that Captain Panachol is a cousin to Lagos State Governor Rin-Tweny Mabor. He said the army used in the area were not there to attack anyone, but to protect a local chief because of fear or revenge killings. So now we see two sides of this story. The government say the soldier were attacked first. The community say soldier entered a house and killed innocent people. What is the truth? That is the big question. This is not the first time Lagos State has seen violence. Communal fighting, cattle raiding, and revenge attack are very common here. The killing of civilians by soldiers only make the situation worse. Until today, SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, officials have not given their official response. This story shows again that South Sudan as a country still has a big problem of mistrust between the army and civilian. And instead of protecting the people, soldiers are often accused of targeting them. Our third story is about the Nuer army, not a threat to peace. Many times the government of South Sudan, led by President Salva Kiir Mayardit and SSPDF, always accuse Nuer army of being a threat to peace, but the truth is different. The Nuer army is not a standing army. They are a community defense group. They only gather when they feel a big threat against their people, their cattle, or their villages. Earlier this year, in March 2025, there was a fighting in Nasser between the SSPDF and the Nuer army. After that, the government started to say the Y Army is linked to SPLIO, the opposition group led by Dr. Riek Machar. But many observers, including community leaders, say this is not true. The Nuer Army did not invade any other community. They were attacking their own areas, Nasser and Fangak. Why then is the government targeting them? Some people believe it is because the Nuer Army is mostly Nuer, and the government wants to weaken the Nuer community and silent supporter of Dr. Riek Machar. If South Sudan really wants peace, then the government should stop targeting civilians in Nuer areas. Peace cannot come when only one community is being treated as the enemy. President Salva Kiir has the power to bring peace. He has the power to unite communities, but instead, his government has chosen the path of targeting and dividing. The Nuer Army is not the problem. The problem is the failure of leadership, the failure of trust, and the failure to include everyone in the peace process. Today we have 3 strong stories. A minister embarrassed at Juba Stadium during an important violence. Soldier killing civilian in Cueibet and sparking revenge violence. The truth about the Nuer army and why targeting them will never bring peace. South Sudan need respect, unity, and truth. Peace will only come when leaders treat all communities equally. When soldiers protect people instead of killing them, and when justice is for everyone instead of one-sided. Jolin kon mo gwasa me emedan shora latere which ka South Sudan. Ate kon kalare banlim gwasa me to goro dera andero de palping ke dien. Kenya mbana racha kemedan shora la re which ka Juba. Gwam mishala den go Minister Monday Kumba wa chaje chinga jegalong K Stadium gwami shawewe we football match ki kurmanana kwetke ken kono niam me jiram jidit gwas me goro jen wojin dairy subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel komite mi shubare chwa mala shube keji akapet bana jome bana jilinkel ka do badan chungaro en lat keje en walle ka chanka wal ka paywal chetogo no sha ngar sha jangar ngar kureka re wich ka Juba chetogo no changar sha jangal ngar national stadium mentre wike South Sudan en ngar mo ngar ka je kamwin dangro South Sudan ken Senegal ken wi dangro tin content ngar me very important along chinedi ala goro de ko tin ne content la fan ken ne kon nok kure kwarbane men ne dial reewut chikano gwad dana ngar ka ngaten rami mom la kwer mi chewe e mande kumba chala no chewe yen akwer ke foreign affairs minister dung South Sudan wa jiga chupadan je chupke je gwa kure ka wa je ni werech instead dong the minister kumba de je welcome can bodyguard ka but you can jing ne ko la security officer to ba take a video ma cha nyotin na mo wa ka je ka ro alken ka je rami mo mi la kwer ki rami loske wa ka ji ka jino dong we gwini jin ke kure we do we just support ki we chonkel kanetin kontin la we do kain to gwazandana la nakula wure tin ke stadium security officer chicken a capchong you get on ticket but tell me charge your ticket but chi jonje no charge waka charge go no there wure no ke video mi charge your online de kon kula ro ne mimo ba senior government official no kajen bale la minister of foreign affairs ba je cheng no a security officer ne ti kwini ken kaja na mo bejelong angu me jaga ko bika jigak ni pen ken kwar pen ken orech dong de ken jonje no gor ke ticket but instead chicken work sometime tene ti shelat bono dong der lawo jen jela ka match ka wederech dong che cha dejen bat ko ka video tika shunka kwa da dana dong de ka orechin but instead che togo no chaga penurech kwa da dana jen we gwi ke kure and me am sure la tre wichin winemi ngai kon yala no kure very important en ran la jagoro no bo gwi men kwarbo de ko gwi bo so de kon tikulo kanene ne di ti quicken wude me la foreign minister ne quicken lade ke quicken no jen ramdit ba de pen wa jo me ngode shumena tema kanane loch ngode cha feri je bas na me mde yen linka mandan lero de wiki juba leren ro de gwasame gwam mishala no ci deni SSPDF ci kene dangro ci la civilian ci ken ken dor shal ke Cueibet ban je lingo gwa lere mane togen wala re wiki leg state chala ro ci re ke tokte Cueibet county jen gwa da nan nak ne dangro tin minister of information wuri shal ke William Kaji Kerjok chala ro ne na chane dangro ci la civilian ke jiwo shaka na kan ka SSPDF naka SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force deni ken ka nak ne dangro ci la jiwo jona kaman chalat gwaza me wa ka changwan ka tiang la pan ka word enona she military officer enona wa chicken dor midetun wen mo chicken surrounded enona ka deni eno me chaje sorono ne ken ka joran chalat gwaza me she deni chika yat wane tin kontin cha dor mo chaje soron ke chaje gol wa ken ke ngene ken ci benone chicken darut kam de mo chicken chu gak alo chicken gol an gwas mo chudu mo cha yat che SSPDF officer ke SSPDF so de cha yode ka no bia lwaka wa an dor danan cha man cha gol wa cha gol ngwent te ke de ni lo chicken ke military officer ba ken ba jel ken ka mech ka dobran chalat ke jeng an wena mo ci den ci gben kwa da nan ci ngani ci be chongtin ci kan ngani jogo no de yen and instead an wena mo wa chu kan ma chu yad ngani ka chu kan ngani dangro chu kan yunak an wena mo ne ka kore mi ci ngani ci ge no ci ka rodian bar ka cha nan nero ci go nyoko lu jok an wa mo ci kan SSPDF so le ci kan ga nyoko mi doy kan ka ma ci kan ramkel ka SSPDF ci kan nak an wena mo ne so antama kor jatre wichin gudimi batikala no ichina chiru in palpin ban ngai ke jeno ngoda kan kor kan to ka jom chalat gwasme ngum to kriye ke jem you know ne to moto dong wul long na ran ka chuka lo nak na ramadan ne tin kontila ngwene instead dong de kan jonga jana but ya kan mission me wachi kan gorjeno biken of use biken kan ga jen dob dan chero da lat ke jem ka jom chalat wun mishal ka choldeng chela do ne chanero chakanak no anet kon la dini SSPDF but gwatme wate ke isto ndangro to chodian lad ala net kontin la dini SSPDF chigala do ne kana yorne ke chak na chaka de nak ngwani in a state community joran jikala gwasme very different which ngini mi kana nana kana kan ngwan dangro to kon chanak ticket toy kare duel no jen gwadan ticketin wa disagreement mi ci to ka wuri shol ka captain panachol no ajira ramadan na jak de ni ko bi ka civilian bi kan kanak wa ne ti wa ti ka toy kan ni ko la ngani and when mo chu den SSPDF chu chu ben chu kan wan dang ro ta chu kan yu nak ram me nang na chale captain panashol jen awa ramkel mi mark ne leg state governor wuri shal ke rin twen mabor no ajeram dana be ke de ni ka chu kan community chu kan kula babar alo we mean that en gwata me kan na ro link ke jo dan shal ke jen ko ci la de ne lat ke no nei telmi nei cha nei chini yet ke ngene in state ngene ken ne ti je ka gwad met ke shaitin ke misken and then chwa you nag SSPDF then jodan chala lo we mean that an stone ken shika ken ngai kon kajla kai ke SSPDF ne sham ko bana tok bana jelat ka panga jen mi kinin den payo chane ngaje no cha ngwen chup ko baro sha nak ke kotoria SSPDF ngandang baro to me sha kanak me cha SSPDF cha ka ti kalaro ne tini ke SPLIO members kane ti ke civilian anyok lat ke no chicken ga nak duele bu kan ga na gwa ko bana wa na ka kere duele tika toyke kane dang baro kan yal chu kan ga nak and then chu ka chu jen so mi chira mo jen ta ngai ko na je de ni SSPDF ta tika ke ajeno baji nak ka baji jai ano jin ajiram ma chik la kan la jeno ram me gwantera chirmen shal ne no kan chi ga yit ke ngani and then ka nyok chingane la no kon bab jeng ne then chwane yu naga ken ka order mi chatup so jo me mi tin mu gene montama right am right kon en ngode tele clear information doro mom shal ka shobe but cha civilian dang ro tilang wane cha kan naga de nya SSPDF de en jo me de yeneling jo gwaz me chana racha ka queen war wa ami ne to ngwana kana lar no jejen bor ejen ekene cha kamat tika kel ke SPLIO jejen bor shi ka part of SPLIO murai kon ka to ken kanete motila ngwen wari tele ka office ke cha mo ke yo baran tele ke uniform ni chikatin shalke red bell tinte ka jongle tam red bell ka jong le ngai yen manalet kana chigro ni ko officially ka jel kana ka mechi dit en nor waya mi tele rami mo mi met ken ke je la je kerudien gwadran chikana ngaje no cha chi man ken cha ga threat ke chikana ngaje no te ram goro be kanak jin do bana ka ne je ke je ban ngai kona cha nor waya mi ke nore cha ka nyir a president salva ke me yadit ka SSPDF ano ko chikana nor waya mi chikana gwanyen oken ika threat ke ne de shiryen ling ka ke let ken ke kuma SPLIO ken ke de ne chika normal people chitke nor wayami simply ka ga nuore te langwene te laro ene je gwadran chikere chikanen mebe kaka no nor wayami malat ke ken ke kuken gang community kala gang community gwadran te reng mejetuok lo ramata dorien bane shi oto te ka gwam mitikaten te shalke red bell group ne ka gwat cha kamke lo kam kan ga yobo katikan ga mede kama katikan ga uniform ne so de ko compare de ne ti chiga de ne nuwer ngot kan te ka de ne te bala ro ke de ne ken nuwer waya mi chiga de ne okay chiga de ne so nuwer waya mi la je ken rodien gwa da na chiga ke ben chima dong chi morlen chiga ben buga na ben nak ki be kan nuwer be kan gat ken be kan benang kan nang kan no jen gwa da la nuwer rodien jetin bu kan ko ne ko chaga de nak and then bu ko nyi ka bu ko ken be kan ka lo jok jen ta dan teten nika wade dan me chikur me to ka jen pa doc 2025 kan nasser chikon diala nenen wo me chitok SSPDF nyenye kan ke ngwanen ware kinyenye kan ke kuma SPLIO you know ajen ta dan tin shen me cha kalinga no ka ne dakin machar ngai kone reng machar me cha lat ko me cha gorlong chiro anjen ke nwar waya mi eno palakor eri ge dan wuto ga be na bu ko liu chirek dakin machar o kene de kon ngud lo dien ngenya ka tai dana shi na na kaje no ka cha ga na kaje jen ta mo ne me dana gang na kaje so en target ba nur ba target ko target ko ken kanure keno me dana la kana lar no 2013 ko re dana shi tok ka chi ngwen wer charen matin of course that is rin matin ka ken ka community based civilian army tila jere ken kamach yen kan ngokien ka lon ka ya kien mo de ka nangone you know jen ta dan te keje bane tu ngwanan ko kene konen gwe keje ngo inwer waya mi kene ke deni shunken ken dakre ma cha no dakre ma char me shunken geje gwade dane jo keje ra wiki juba ke 2013 ko baga babab keje kel kan nakake e kum ken mi yadi do nwere yen nakaloro bang chwati malat yen der ko gwadi ne mon yende be nakati loro bang na mo dio je chigwa che chi mo chi cho rande ro de dil gang mi ngaje no la dia liwi ke na kaje kati mot dan der wang rande wa gyo kaje so nor wayam mi ashika de ni kane te gang kani ne kien gang kana dorien kamade kana chide me shianen kan nasir gang kana rodien okay gang ka rodien chika rodien de jana ke SSPDF te na kana syang ka syang ke je ka wer kana syang dar ka wayen chwa dun gang der kula to gude reng ma char yin dan yen je cha yin ka kinor wayam yan ke je ko jen nyer ke je yen wer and me a politically motivated jen do dan yen je tel mer dien mi yan ke je ajen jo dan gor no de nywa ka yekel an ban yo je le rodien an biate mal bye bye